from Hasbro. This is the Flip and Serve Breakfast, a new playset for Play-Doh. So what does Flip and Serve Breakfast have? Has an extruder over here that you can make whipped cream or a shake. Now, there's another one over here that you can put out different types of shapes, but more importantly, you have your breakfast utensils. Or you can make different types of meals. It comes with 4 packs of Play-Doh, and I'm gonna take a little of the yellow and make myself a waffle. So just press it down into the mold, pop it out, and it flips around to serve. You take off the sides, and I got myself a perfect Belgian waffle. Let me get out my fork, and I can make believe eating a little waffle for breakfast. This is a Play-Doh set for kids 3 and older.